Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot-Forex. I hope you are doing great. Yeah, even the market is trying to recover. Remember, this week is that week where I think it's tomorrow, there is FOMC meeting, and the tariffs are still going crazy. But at least I think they said they will be reviewing some of the tariffs. They will pause some of them. And there was so many stories going on. Some they said it was fake news because I think there was the time the market was trying to recover aggressively. The fake news was saying that Trump said, or Trump's team, they said they will be posing the tariffs with for I think it's 90 days or 75 days or something like that. Then after they said nope, that is actually a fake news, but they will actually review some of the tariffs going further. And yeah, I think that helped the market to recover a little bit. And yeah, even the currency pairs, they were just going crazy. They were just going crazy. Yeah, so now as you can see, we are already on GBPUSD. You can see down there. You can see down there. If you are new to this channel, guys, help me to reach that 10K subscribers. It's possible. It's way too possible. It's way too possible, and you don't really lose anything by smashing that subscribe button. So you can see that on GBP, we were actually on a very nice uptrend structure, which the market is now breaking out. And we can see a nice retest there. Do you see that? So the market is retesting that. So which means we can say, okay, for us to jump on this, because we can see that GBP, it was quite stronger for quite some time. Do you see that? We also thought maybe the market was going to respect this level there. We thought maybe the market was going to go up. Guess what? Once we redraw everything, it makes sense now that the market just broke out. So which means this is our area where we're gonna start to say it's our resistance because it's where the market is retesting. But for now, we are going to give the market a chance. You see this area, or let me just do something like this. Let me do something like this, like this, like this. Let me zoom so that you can see nicely. So you can see that here it's where the market broke out, and we see a retest there. So what we're gonna do there is to mark those levels. We can mark this level. It's where the market actually broke out, and a very nice retest there, very quick one. So now, so that we don't really fall for these fake moves or adjustments and stuff like that, what we can do, we can mark the market like that, because this is 4 hours time frame. We can see 1 2 3 almost 12 hours the market respected this level. So we can now see that, you know what, there is a chance that the market can still come back and respect this level. So for us to continue going down, the market has to break this level. Then we can say this is the nice start of that downtrend, because we are coming from this aggressive uptrend. But it seems like now the dollar is starting to gain that momentum. I hope that makes sense. So now on Euro USD, quite similar structures, but here a bit different because we're coming from this downtrend. So which means we're coming from, let's draw that. We're coming from something like this, and now you can see that the market, oh, let me draw it from here, because this was an uptrend. So it was something like that. As the market was evolving, because the market evolves, guys. So the market doesn't just stay around the same level, even though it's a downtrend, yes, but it was continuing to create some new structures. So we had something like this. It was straightforward, obviously, as we were also taking those sales positions and stuff like that. So at the moment we have this, you can see that. So the market was moving very nice until we had that breakout. So that breakout at the moment, we can say, yeah, we are still on that nice. What happened? Sorry, we are still on that nice bullish structure. So you can see that. You can see that. So, but the market seems to be reversing, because we had some very nice areas. It was something like that. So now it seems like the market is just trying to break out of this area, as I was expecting the market to continue like that. So, but with this type of structure, sometimes you don't really have to force the market. We don't really have to force anything. So it was like this. You can see that the market actually broke out of that structure. So which means we need to relax, because it seems like the market is trying to do something. It might continue going lower, or it might reverse and start to go up again. So we have to be extra careful. But what I like here is it seems like Euro USD is still holding very tight. You can see that we can say this is a very proper uptrend structure. So there is a chance for the market to do what, to respect this level and continue going up. So which means at the moment we will be just waiting and just relaxing. We have to just wait and see. We don't really have to do much, but this is a very important area. If the market reverses there, that can be a very proper opportunity. So yeah, now we are on gold. We did smash gold a day before. I think even yesterday, yesterday I think the market did melt, because I think the market was around this level. You see that first support there? The market was there, but the overall structure, you can see that yes, we are coming from this nice uptrend structure, and the market has been going up for a while now. So once we go closer there, you will see that no, man, we had a structure around this level. Do you see that? And I thought maybe the market was going to respect that. Boom, the market broke out. But at the end of the day, it seems like the market respected our diagonal support, which has been there for quite some time. Do you see that? So once the market does that, it shows us that, yeah, we are still on that nice bullish move. We just had so much stuff going on. So the market respected this level. It's fine. So now we expect the market to do what, to continue going up. I think a nice buy, it will be exactly where we were yesterday. Once the market goes above this support, previous support, now it might be a resistance. Once the market goes above that, that will be a very nice area for us to look for that buy position, because the market, if you buy where the market is because of this level there, the market might reverse. So wait for the market to break out. You can place the notification. Once the market breaks out here, you know that maybe now it's time for the market to do what? To go back where it was, because the tensions are still there. Everything is still brewing. So which means with there is still a room for gold to go higher. But the thing is, I'm not really surprised when I see this type of reversal, because on gold also, this thing's been flying, guys. This market has been going up, especially for gold, for more than a year, 2 years now. So I won't be surprised if we see an aggressive sell-off, because it's been like on a bullish trend for quite some time. So when you buy or when you look for buy positions, you have to also think about that. So now we are on US30. Yeah, this one actually recovered very nice. My people did smash this one very nice yesterday. If you are part of the team, you can talk to us. You can check the WhatsApp or Telegram. For the Telegram, there it's just a free group there where you can get some free signals and stuff like that. On WhatsApp, you can talk to me. If you want to be part of the team, just let me know. We have indicators, we have a mentorship, all that. So yeah, and we have some serious special. So now on USDT, I think maybe on a daily time frame, this thing can be, it's clean. It's very clean on a bigger time frame. So you can see that we had a crazy push to the upside. This was an aggressive push to the upside. And guess what? The tariff thing, they started around this level. We started to have the first wave of the sell-off. The market tried to reverse. After they said, oh, they will pause 1, 2, 3. Guess what? They came back again. They came back again. So the market did give us this aggressive sell-off. And if we check, the market actually reached this level. Let me mark that level. So yeah, the market reached that lowest area. But yesterday, the market, after those fake news and stuff like that, the market tried to reverse aggressively. And what I know is, since things are not really changed that much, it's still on the news, not really, there is no official statement of that. So there is a chance that the market can still sell off again. Yes, we did have this, it was a very quick trade. So what I realize here is, actually, these things are very long. Let me take out, I'll draw the short ones. So the market actually bounced back. And it seems like the market wants to continue like that, even though the news are not really positive. But the question is, the tariffs did not really disappear. So what I know is, yes, the market might still go up just to recover these aggressive sell-offs. And then the market might still continue going lower if things don't change. But if things are going to change, and it seems like it's gonna change, it seems like Trump is not really sure, because they just do the tariffs today, 2 days later they say no, we will go soft, we will have some arrangements, 1 2 3. It seems like they're just testing the waters and see if things are going to be fine or not. And at the moment it seems like they don't really know what they're doing. You can't set things today, tomorrow you change, set them the other day, tomorrow you change. And now what's wrong? Because we thought maybe you know what you were talking about. So when you change every day, now we're confused. And the market likes that. Once he said, okay, we can pause, we can negotiate 1 2 3. Okay, that is a positive news, because everyone can see that those reciprocal, whatever the tariffs, they don't really, at the moment, they will affect US economy and other economies, obviously. So at the moment, we saw the market starting to struggle around this level. Okay, we marked that. And we started to see the market starting to go up aggressively. So this is going to be our first resistance here. If the market breaks out of that, what we're going to do there, we're not going to just jump and hold trades. Yes, some they will do that, it's fine. But I think the best way is to scalp. The scalping is better because just look here, the market, maybe you bought here, the market reaches this level, you're still holding, expecting the market to go higher. Boom, the market goes back to zero again. Or maybe you end up losing. If you bought somewhere that you end up losing or getting out, then the market starts to go up again. So which means the market is still very, very, very fragile at the moment. So which means we just have to be extra careful around these levels. Unless if the market starts to break out, then we can start to look for those buys. But the most important thing is going to be the fundamentals that we get. Those fundamentals that we get from Trump, admin, whatever, those are going to be very important. Sometimes it's very cool, good to watch the news, but it seems like the market it's ready to recover. So now we are on Nasdaq 100, still quite similar structures. The market coming from this aggressive uptrend, I think maybe on a daily time frame, the structure can be quite visible. Candlesticks are a little bit thicker, so something like that. So we can easily see that the breakout was aggressive. The market reached this lowest level one way or another. This is what I said, I think, days before, that even though we are on this one way or another, the market won't just continue like that. The market has to recover a little bit before the continuation of those sales, and that might happen. So whatever that is happening here, whether the market is trying to recover, if the tariffs, they are going to continue, I think we're going to have that downtrend. But what we know is, yes, along the way, the market has to recover here and there. But with these aggressive moves, sometimes it can be difficult for us to catch a nice move, because it's controlled or it's influenced by the fundamentals. So fundamentals, whatever that is happening, every small statement that Trump is going to mention, that will have an impact on the market. So now we have a nice resistance there. Then we're just waiting for the market to break out. Then we can say maybe the market will be going straight to where it broke out, or maybe the market might start to range around the same level. I hope maybe that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So now US oil, yeah, I'm still surprised. US oil, it's melting. It's like seriously going down, like way down. So the last time we reached this level, it was 2021, around this level, April 2021. So this is the lowest area for quite some time, for 3 years, I think. Yeah, I think maybe they are reaching some resolution with Iran, Russia, whatever. But yeah, it means prices are going to go lower, inflation is going to go lower, and this is very nice. This is very nice for motorists and stuff like that. But we just have to wait and see. Because there are some stuff happening. There are some stuff happening. Iran-US tension seems to be boiling point and stuff like that. So let's hope that they find some truth, or let's say a resolution. So yeah, at the moment on US oil, we can easily see that the market is on a downtrend. I've been talking about this downtrend for quite some time and this support for quite some time, but I wasn't ready for the market to break that, because the market has been respecting this level for quite some time now. And yeah, it happened. It happened. So it means now maybe the market might try to reverse or something like that. But yes, a reversal, obviously, it will come. One way or another, we're going to have that reversal. Guys, help me to reach that 10K subscribers. By doing that, I think we'll be giving the channel some serious momentum to push. We'll be improving here and there, and just to give you some nice updates almost every day. So anyways, thank you very much. If you want to be part of the team, just WhatsApp me, or you can Telegram there to be part of the free channel on the Telegram. So thank you very much, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you on the next one. Bye.